Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to delete a video on TikTok from your profile. You may be in a situation where you posted a video, but you're not happy with it and would like to remove it. To remove a video from your TikTok profile, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the Profile tab at the bottom right. Tap on the video you want to delete. Then tap on the three dots at the right hand side. Just above cancel, scroll to the right until you see delete. Tap on delete and then you should get a prompt again. Confirm it one more time and your video will be deleted. And that is how to delete a video on TikTok from your profile. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. If this video is helpful, then please hit that like button and most importantly, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.